Hey, welcome back. I just got a quick video here, 5 minutes of your time. You can take a look at this. This is a three-piece kitchen. It's island. It's got a long piece with the sink and then a small little piece on the opposite side of the stove. This is a $500 kitchen. Actually, most of the kitchens I do are for $500. That's pretty much the minimum. And as you can see, I'm putting on the primer right now. This thing was sprayed, but the tenant used it as a cutting board, which is what my return business is about. Although the coating is good, it's not going to be able to put up with it being used as a cutting board for a year. And so this is my second pass here with the black. Got to go in the opposite direction, just like I say about the tubs. This way you avoid missing spots. And I don't mean the opposite direction from where you start. I mean vertical, one way, and then going back again, spraying horizontal, or vice versa. And that's pretty much it. Now I'm just putting on the color. I'll show that in a second. I didn't elaborate too much on the prepping. I don't know if you guys got that real good, but I'll make a video just on prepping and not spraying. But I do want to emphasize the spraying and then going in two directions. And, once you mix this, it's going to go in the trash. You might as well use it. You can't save it, so. And there it is. It's like a bluish. That'll disappear. This color is called Midnight Sky. So it'll be black. It'll actually look like a sky. It'll look like, completely black with some white dots in there. It's pretty cool. Right here, I'm putting in the clear coat now. Do the magic of editing. But to be honest with you, if my memory doesn't fail me, I think it was 2 hours. And that is what I'm averaging. The only difference between doing this kitchen in 2 hours or 2.5 hours is where I actually park, and is it on the first, second, or third floor. That little bit adds up because that means I can't carry everything in one shot. I can't load up the tool bag that's on wheels and drag most of my equipment. I have to make 3 or 4 trips, especially if I can't find a good parking space, if the lot's full. I don't do a lot of jobs that are street parking, so I am parking in a private parking lot. And so again, same thing with the clear coat, going in opposite directions, 2 coats. And now I'm just wrapping up. It's basically a rewind, starting from the last thing I did, which was lay down the drop cloths, to the first thing. And that's it. That really is it. I know everybody's concerned about what equipment that I use and what paint and what else do I need. I am making a video on that. It's just taking a minute. I am getting slammed with work. And so is everyone that I've taught. We're all getting slammed with work. People don't want to order new kitchen countertops the way things have been in this country. We're talking 3 to 4 weeks out to get that thing measured, removed, ordered, and replaced. 3 to 4 weeks. They need those tenants in there. And if I can provide, or you can provide this service and do it in 2 hours, literally 2 hours, and they can move in the following day, that's a gain for them. So that's why I could command the price that I can, and so can you. A couple of people ask me, how do you get that much money? You can right now. And if you're working for somebody who doesn't charge that much, that's just fear of not getting that customer. I'd rather charge a lot or enough and be able to pay my bills than give somebody a discount for the fear of them saying no. You know what's going to happen? That's going to be a crappy job. I'm going to hate that job. It's going to take me longer. But here it is. 3-piece kitchen, or 2-piece with an island. $500. Thank you for watching. Come back for the next video on tools of the trade.